you were not in a good mood.
Me too, I was pissed.
No, you pissed me off and I allowed you to...
You said you pissed me off too now.
I allowed you to do what you were doing. So which one is I'll come and ask you if you're okay?
And you said you pissed me off now.
Okay.
It's a mutual pissing off.
No, it's not a mutual pissing off, please. It's not a mutual pissing off. I was on my own. You were already pissed off by only God knows what.
Oh, you think?
You're already pissed off by only God knows what. I can't follow inside. For waiting no supposed to concern me because I don't even know.
You say, no, waiting no
Waiting concern me, like...
What do you think pissed me off? It's not the wager task and how you guys were treating it.
No, you cannot say you guys because I was there already. You then decided to go and cook your noodles. At the time you decided to go and cook your noodles, I then decided to make something to eat. And at the time you were calling, I was listening to you people. I had not written anything. The people that were meant to act, they were supposed to be there at least. Me, I had not written anything and we had already agreed that I was going to write when we were done. So I see no reason how my not being there now affected you or the rest of the people. And then you saw how everybody was going back and forth. It was me that was wasting time and then the rest of the people. Coin was also wasting time, for God's sake. So how was it now me? And then when I came, I sat by the dining because I don't feel comfortable eating in the lounge. Even if, I would take food upstairs, I don't feel comfortable doing that. I don't even do it in my house. So I sat by the dining. I could hear, not like I sat there and I wasn't hearing or I couldn't hear you people.
It wasn't about hearing, it was your sing we're about to act. We're about to
I was literally watching, like I was watching you people. I was just eating there because I don't feel comfortable eating in the lounge.
I feel like you're seeing it from just your own.
No, not just my own. If other people are pissing you off, I don't think I should be on that.
Stop saying that. It's not other people.
No, I feel like it's other people because
now.
I was
you
literally...
listen to me now. You are seeing it from your own point of view alone. You've never let me talk. That's the problem.
Why are you shouting?
Because you don't let me talk.
Oh, that's your reason for shouting.
Yeah, no verse. Sorry.